Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a walk from the Excalibur casino right here through Luxor and all the way to Mandalay Bay. So as we go through, we'll have a chat as well about these properties. And you can see as you come up the escalators here, this is where a lot of the dining options are. There's quite a bit to choose from, to be honest, but I think because Excalibur is directed more towards families, you're more likely to have the kind of food options like Pizza Hut, like Popeyes, rather than higher end establishments. You know what I mean by that. I mean, if you like eating at Pizza Hut, I do, then, you know, fair play to you. So you got your standard gift shops here, Starbucks. There's also another Starbucks on the casino floor towards the back. We've got Del Taco here. I do quite like Del Taco. Probably more than Taco Bell, actually. Socks. But again, with Del Taco, it's a case of being from England, the food's very bland. So, yes, I know we've got Taco Bell over in England, but it's not as good as it could be. Anyway. Cinnamon pickup sticks. There we are. Popeyes. I don't mind Popeyes, but there is plenty of food options, like I say, for families. And as you walk through here, there's loads of these little shops where you can purchase all different kinds of things. Temporary tattoos. I'm not sure why you'd want a temporary tattoo. Not when you can get the real thing. Everyone has tattoos these days. Nice little chill area there. You get some clothing here, Dragon's Lair just round the corner, and the magnet shop. And it's scary how realistic some of these magnets can look. I mean, they genuinely look like donuts. Massages there if you so wish. Now, as we're walking through this section, turning around the left corner here, I don't think the moving walkways are quite what they used to be. I'll be surprised if the one going towards Luxor even works. In fact, I don't think it's there anymore. I think they took it away. Yeah, look. So behind this wall here is where the escalator, the moving walkway used to be, and you can see that one isn't even on. So weirdly, it's rare to see it even working. It's like outside in Vegas, if you see the escalators, you hardly ever see them working properly. But yeah, as you walk down here, it's nice and quiet. It's you could say it is a peaceful change from the hustle and bustle of the casinos. Nice view out there as well. Some VR booths here, although I'm not quite sure why these are really a thing, because most people these days have something like PSVR or Oculus Rift, so most people have access to virtual reality. And this section as well, down into Luxor, same old story. It's not working, and this one has gone. It's behind this wall. Whether they're renovating it, doing it up, or just removing it completely, I couldn't tell you. I'm not quite sure. But by the looks of it, this one hasn't been turned on in a while. And as we look further ahead, you can see that the one coming up towards where we are isn't on. It's blocked off. I'm not sure I can remember the last time I found all of these working. I would hazard a guess and say it's been many, many years. But this one here is actually working, the one coming upwards. Very strange. You'd think that the ones going into the casino would be more likely to be working so they can get people in the casino faster, so they can take your money faster. But who knows? This one looks like it hasn't been turned on in a while either. So coming into the Luxor area, I kind of like the Egyptian theme, but unfortunately the hotel itself I think has become rather run down in the last decade or so. I mean, when it first opened in 1993, there used to be like not like a gondola ride, you know, like the like in Venetian they had the canals. Well, there used to be like a gondola area, and you would get in it, and I think you could go to your room in it as well. That was kind of cool. Obviously that got taken out a long time ago. Maybe it was a bit problematic, but in all the years I've been coming to Vegas, it's never been here, so it obviously got taken out decades ago. But this bit we're walking up to now is where the gondola, little watery boaty thing actually was. So here, coming into Luxor, you've got a couple of shops here, market there if you fancy a snack. The carpet in here is fairly new. If you look at it, I actually really like the carpet here. It fits in well with the Egyptian theme. You know, you've got the scarabs, you've got Eye of Horus, you've got the hieroglyphics. Look at this. It's quite nice. Like I say, they've done a good job in making this carpet match the actual theme of this casino. In a world where Vegas is becoming less and less themed, it's still nice to see this. I mean, there are people who say the theming in Vegas made Vegas what it is. I don't think that's necessarily true. It's just a phase Vegas goes through. Like, if you look back at the 50s, 60s, 70s, they were all phases of Vegas. The latest phase of Vegas, I think, is luxury, but I don't think Vegas pulls it off quite so well in some cases. So as we keep walking through Luxor, got a sports bar here. There is some baseball on the television. And up these escalators right here is where we get to Mandalay Place. There are some shops here. And I suppose it's a bit like a mall, a very, very small mall. So yeah, you can buy what you want to there. Tender Steakhouse, just here on the right. So let's head up the escalators into Mandalay Place. It's never usually too busy in here, any time of day. You know, I've been through here at 3 a.m, 3 p.m, 9 a.m, midnight, and it's never too busy. Fat Tuesday, Mardi Gras. Lush, fresh handmade cosmetics just there in the distance. You get some tea if you're into Asian style tea. But like I say, there's a lot of places to eat, drink, shop in this Mandalay Place. It's a nice area, it feels fresh. Wahlburger here. Funnily enough, I've never actually tried that. Maybe I should. Obviously, Mark Wahlberg is a resident of Las Vegas. At least at the time of recording this video, he is. Some high-end shops. Although I'm not sure whether you can really call Pandora high-end. I mean, what's high-end? Pandora? Tiffany? I think you'd say Tiffany. But in terms of the Las Vegas sock shop, I'd say Pandora is more high-end than the Las Vegas sock market. Bay essentials, snacks, drinks, essentials basically. The Irish pub and the Guinness store next to it. Not a big fan of Guinness. I do like beer, I like wine, spirits, but not Guinness. So I think it's just a nice stroll list. If you're going from one casino to the other, it's always nice to take a breather, especially if you've been losing, you fancy a change of casino. Walking through here just gives you that serenity feeling. It's nice. Big Las Vegas sign there for that gift shop. Around the corner, we have the Raiders store, Raider image. And as a Raiders fan, it's disappointing as always. But you never know. You never know what the next season could bring. -5 ice bar, or ice experience, as it says there. And as we come down here, we've now reached Mandalay Bay. Down these escalators, there is a Starbucks and a Cocolini over there. And this has taken us about 11 minutes. Just a nice casual walk. So if you're walking from Excalibur to Mandalay Bay, you can definitely do it in under 10 minutes. But a nice stroll, nice leisurely pace. Takes about 10, 11, maybe 12 minutes, depending on what you consider nice and slow. And here is Mandalay Bay Casino. Thank you for watching, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.